What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get your Instagram password if you forget it. So let's jump into the video directly. What you need to do first is go to your settings. After going to your settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down to find your Google option. Here is the Google option right here. After clicking on Google option, what you need to do is wait a second. Then you have to click on manage your Google account. Okay. Please guys make sure you watch the full video and watch and follow every step I am going to follow show you so that you can get your password Instagram password back. So what you need to do first is click on the security option, scrolling down and click on security. After clicking on security, you have to scroll all the way down like this. Then here is the option password manager. So here is the Google will be saved the passwords and usernames from your mobile phone and save it here. So you want to see our Instagram password, you have to click on manage passwords. After clicking on manage passwords, here is the all the apps that Google have saved the password from your mobile. So what I need to do is click on Instagram to see the password. After clicking on Instagram, you have to put your Face ID or your fingerprint ID. Otherwise, you can use your password to unlock it. So after clicking on this, unlock it. You can see your password and Google Instagram accounts. Here, you can copy the password. Otherwise, you can click on the I button. The password you can see here. So this is how you can get your password Instagram password back if you forget it. So I hope you like this video and you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.